Control all the things you do. Do you love? Do you want me? You're trying to show me ain't not so sweet. You're only. I've been 100 with you. Do you want me? I'm sick and tired of all these games. You know it ain't been the same. 'Cause I've been 100 with you.
Hey guys, just showing you how I make my coffee scrub. The first thing I put in it is infused coffee, beauty blend, hazelnut coffee, potato starch, and organic cane sugar. Oh yeah, and I put in some turmeric powder as well. Oh yeah, and I forgot, I put in some collagen peptides. And then I'm just whisking it together. Okay, so now I'm using the extra virgin coconut oil. It's organic. I put in a drop of vitamin C, a drop of the rose hip oil, and I forgot to tell y'all I put in some cinnamon. Right here, I'm just blending it together with the coconut oil and everything I showed prior in the first part of the video. I'm just blending it all together. So right here, I'm still blending it. I've also added my foam whip to it from Voyeurs. I use a lot of their products for my lip gloss and for my soaps. And you'll see in the video in just a minute, the foaming bath whip is what it is. I love that stuff. Okay, right here I got it all mixed in together really well. So now I am putting it in the piping bag. You'll see later that the piping bag did not work for me, but I got this from the dollar store, Dollar General to be exact. All of my products that I've used or that I use in this video, I got from either Sprouts or Nature's Garden, or from the dollar store, Dollar Tree. I kind of shop everywhere, so that's where I got most of this stuff from. Oh yeah, I forgot, I added some rose petals in there as well when I was blending. You can see a little of the rose petals when you use the product. Okay, so I am giving away samples of the body scrub. So anybody that purchases from me, I give them a sample of the body scrub and also my body oils. Those are the containers I'm using in the back right there, those glass containers. They are 8 ounces. I gave up on the pastry bag because it did not work. It just didn't work for me. So now I got my scale out and I'm gonna start filling the glasses up. I want to make sure that I have all my measurements right, you know, so when I send it off, so everything worked out the way it was supposed to. I am gonna also purchase later on some 4-ounce containers, glass containers. So I'll have the 8-ounce and then I'll have the 4-ounce as well. Also in my body butters, I'll have an 8-ounce and a 4-ounce as well. decided to use the baby wipes instead of the alcohol wipes to clean the bottles off with. And they are unscented. I got them from Tom Thumb. And it was actually an easy process to just clean the bottles up and make them look nice. I just put the top on and then I wipe it down one more time to get any residue of oil and the coffee mixture off of the jar. And that's about it. Tie the ribbon on, and I'll be back to show you what else comes along with the body butter. But this is somebody's order, so I'm getting it together. I'm just getting a package together. She ordered lip gloss, and I gave her a sample of my body oil and my Good Morning Coffee Scrub.